Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, it is finally time for a blade change for the Stanley 10-049. I just keep on sharpening the blade until eventually this thumb notch gets so low that I have to really dig for it. And you can see that the cheeks on that blade are very thick compared to the new blade. It served its purpose. Very easy to take the blade off. Oh, I did want to tell you, the fit and finish. The fit on these knives are sometimes better than others. The finish is always great. This is powder coat. But I don't know if the knife came this way. You see how I torment and torture my knives. I probably caused that to spread out like that. But they're great little work knives. You got to remember to put it back under that keeper before it drops down in place. Let's go ahead and change it out, and I want to show you how I use my Smith's diamond stone to sharpen the spine, and then we'll go ahead and see if we can make fire with it. All right, take the core side of your diamond stone, hold the knife square to it, and give it about 20 passes. You can feel with your thumb if you've got a good 90-degree spine. And that is all it takes to sharpen that knife up, to sharpen the spine. And of course, the razor's edge is very sharp. Let's try it out. Fat wood. Before you go to scrape the ferro rod, always clean your spine out. I got a little keychain ferro rod made by Bayite. All right, let's make some shavings with it now, and some more scrapings. This is the bottom board of a bamboo fire saw set. This little knife will make shavings all day long, and scrapings too. What a great everyday carry pocket knife this has been for me for the past 20-25 years. All right, y'all. Do me a favor before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.